Welcome back to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my reverse eyeliner. I've decided I want to keep it really simple, girly. I'm going to be showing you my technique that helps me out a lot. And I want to mention right away that today I'm going to be doing my makeup with some voiceover. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to start off with my NYX Pro Eye Primer, apply this all over the lid, and then blend out with my finger. Then I'm going to my BH Neutral palette and really soft pink shade. It's going all over the lid, and it's going to help further to diffuse every single eyeshadows that we're about to create over the lid. Then to this dark, shimmery pink shade, the one that goes like in a particular shape all over the lid, to the same really soft pink color to diffuse edges and make sure that we don't have any harsh lines. And finally, I'm adding some shimmers, gold shimmers, and that's pretty much it for my outer lid. To the reverse eyeliner, I'm using my brow pencil and creating really rough line underneath my eyes, and then with a flat brush, making sure that it looks really sharp. I'm moving to my brown color. You can use actually some black shadows as well and define the line we've just created. And to prevent any harsh lines, I'm going to a little bit softer kind of pink and brown eyeshadows to diffuse my liner. And of course some mascara, and that is the final result, guys. Oh, by the way, I forgot that I added some shimmers as well. Okay guys, and that is the final result. I hope you really like it. I do. I love reverse eyeliner because it feels so natural. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!